Tell you something, people. I moved into my place 9 years ago, and to this very day, I have never, ever used my dishwasher. It's been lying dormant for the past 9 years.
Man, that's amazing.
I already went.
Check out the views, hey?
Make sure everything's okay.
Woohoo! Over 100,000.
And
but mind you, this happened in a span of 3 years.
All ready to go. I hope that's right.
Man, that's unbelievable. And you know, this was me 3 years ago.
Yeah, I just checked. I checked to make sure everything was all clean and all that stuff. And okay, wouldn't you know it? To my surprise, I found a fork at the bottom of.
Yeah, I say this is one of my proudest accomplishments on YouTube. So this happened earlier today when I came home at 5 o'clock from work, and yeah, you know, to this day I barely use my dishwasher. Well, I did yesterday, and I decided to set up my GoPro camera in there, and well, you can find that was my latest video after this one. And you know, I just thought I'd just see what it would be like to film it on the inside of my dishwasher. Well, it didn't turn out as well as I expected, but I could have added a little more light to it, but you know, and all that stuff. Well, you know, 9 years prior to that time, I never used my dishwasher since I moved in 2004. Jeez, August 2004. Jeez, that's like 12 years ago when I moved in. Jeez, imagine if there was YouTube back then, eh? Well, back then in 2004, what was there, Vimeo? Yeah. Well, back then I didn't have a computer, so I didn't get one until 5 years after the fact. Yeah, like I said, I barely use my dishwasher. I still prefer to wash by hand. And just think, I never thought after almost 7 years on YouTube that I would own a video that has over 100,000 views at this very moment. So, woohoo! Oh yeah, this is my most liked video on my main channel too. Yeah. So, congratulations to 100,000 views, and whom as all have watched it. Thank you very much. Yahoo! I really appreciate it.